Hello, welcome to Daily MCQ UPSC. Let's move to today's prelims practice questions. Question number 1. With reference to the government e-marketplace, consider the following statements. It is the National Public Procurement Online Portal for central and state government departments, PSUs, autonomous institutions, as well as local bodies. It is, it is developed by the Union Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Which of the above statements are correct? The answer to this question is option A. That is one only. Government e-marketplace is the National Public Procurement Online Portal offering end-to-end solution for all procurement needs of central and state government departments, PSUs, autonomous institutions and local bodies. It is launched in 2016 and is developed by Directorate General of Supplies and Disposal, which is an organization under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Government e-marketplace brings transparency by eliminating human interface in vendor registration, order placement and payment processing to a great extent. It also brings efficiency as direct purchase on government marketplace government e-marketplace can be done in a matter of minute. So the answer to this question is option A, that is one only. Moving on to the second question. With reference to the National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority, that is NPPA, consider the following statements. It is a government regulatory agency to regulate the prices of pharmaceutical drugs. It comes under the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Which of the statements given above are correct? Answer to this is option A. That is one only. The National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority, that is NPPA, is a government regulatory agency that controls the prices of pharmaceutical drugs in India. It implements and enforces the provisions of the Drugs Price Control Order for regulating the medicine prices in accordance with the powers delegated to it. It was established in 1997. It is under the Department of Pharmaceuticals, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. So, here the second statement is incorrect and first is correct. So, answer to this is option A. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is not a member of Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, that is OPEC? Answers: Iran, Kuwait, Venezuela and Qatar. The correct answer to this question is option D, that is Qatar. The OPEC is a permanent intergovernmental organization of 15 oil exporting developing countries that coordinates and unifies the petroleum policies of its member countries. Currently, the organization has a total of 13 member countries. Qatar terminated its membership on January 2019. Member countries in OPEC are Algeria, Angola, Congo, Equatorial Guinea, Gabon, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Libya, Nigeria, Saudi Arabia, UAE and Venezuela. So here from the options, Qatar is the one which is not in OPEC. Moving on to the fourth question. With reference to the Climate Change Performance Index, that is CCPI 2020, consider the following statements. It was released by United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. India for the first time ranks among the top 10 in CCPI 2020. Which of the given statements are correct? The answer to this is option B, that is 2 only. The Climate Change Performance Index, that is CCPI 2020, was jointly released by German Watch, New Climate Institute, and Climate Action Network at the Conference of Parties 25 Climate Summit in Spanish capital Madrid. India, for the first time, ranked among the top 10 in this list. That is, India ranked 9th position. It shows India is in the high category, showing that emissions are still comparatively low. The first 3 places of this ranking remain unoccupied. The Sweden is in the 4th place. So here answer to this 4th question is option B. Question number 5. With reference to the Indian leopard, consider the following statements. In India, leopard is found in all forest types except in desert and the mangroves of Sundarban. It is listed on par with tigers under Schedule 2 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Which of the given statements are correct? Answer to this question is option A, that is 1 only. In India, the leopard is found in all forest types, from tropical rainforest to temperate deciduous and alpine coniferous forest. It also found in dry scrubs and grasslands. The only exception being desert and the mangroves of Sundarbans. So, the first statement is correct. It is listed on par with tigers under the Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act. Not Schedule 2, it is Schedule 1. So, this Indian leopard is also listed in the IUCN Red List as vulnerable. So, answer to this 5th question is option A, that is 1 is the only correct answer among the 2. With this, today's practice session is over. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel. Also like, comment and share our videos. Click on the bell icon for further updates. Thank you.